I can't. Hey, Mommy.
Oh,
Good night.
Night, Mommy.
Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. This is a picture we'll have to remember forever. This is Uncle Rick and Michael
A blank bed.
sleeping together in Michael's room. February 6th, 1993.
And a cockroach.
This is Saturday, and Uncle Rick's moving out Monday.
Stop acting like
Michael's
Grandpa.
devastated, so he's begged his Uncle Rick to spend the night with him in his room.
He cried all day.
Cried all day, so Uncle Rick would spend the night in his room. Why is Uncle Rick hiding his head? It looks like Uncle Rick's feet are hanging out from underneath the sleeping bag.
Mommy!
You need a longer sleeping bag
Turn that junky thing off.
to keep his feet warm. Isn't it?
Not.